Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start chapter 5 arithmetic progression, and in this we will do exercise 5.3. So before that we have completed our 10 questions. So today we will start question number 11. So in question number 11 we have given if the sum of the first n term of an AP is 4n minus n square, then what is the first term? That is S1 means sum of the first term, and what is the sum of first two terms, and what is the second term. Similarly find third and 10th and nth term. So third term, 10th term and nth term, this we have to find. Now here in solution we have given that Sn equals to 4n minus n square. So with this, when we will put n equals to 1, so we will find value of a1 and s1, as we know that a1 equals to s1. So a1 and s1 are equal. Now so in this, a equals to s1, that is 4 into 1 minus 1 square, that is equals to 3. So value of a equals to s1, that is equals to 3. Similarly sum of two terms will be s2, that is 4. So putting value of n here too, so 4 into 2 minus 2 square, that will be equals to 4. Now second term will be equals to s2 minus s1, that is 1. Now common difference, so common difference we know that a2 minus a1, it will equals to minus 2. Now nth term, for value of nth term we will put formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now putting value, so it will be 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So here value will be equals to 5 minus 2n. Therefore we have to find here a3. So a3 will be equals to 5 minus 2 into 3 equals to 5 minus 6, that is equals to minus 1. And a10 will be equals to 5 minus 2 into 10 will be equals to 5 minus 20, that is minus 15. Hence we can say that third, nth, 10th and nth term will be minus 1, minus 15, 5 minus 2n respectively. Now after this, see question number 12. In question number 12 we have find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So here we have to find the first 40 positive integer which are divisible by 6. So here we will take s40, means we have to find s40. So value of a means first term equals to 6 and common difference will also equals to 6. Now putting formula Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So by solving this, answer will be equals to 4920. So 4920 will be answer. Now so after this, see question number 13. In question number 13 we have given find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So here also first 15 multiple of 8, it will be 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. So here value of a will be equals to 8, common difference is also equals to 8, and we have to find s15. So we can put formula where n will be equals to 50. So by putting formula, that is Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, putting value and finding, it will be equals to 960. So 960 will be answer. Now after this, see question number 14. Here find the sum of the odd number between 0 and 50. So odd number between 0 and 50 will be 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 49. Here a will be equals to 1 and common difference will be equals to 2, and last term, that is equals to 49. So putting value for finding last term, that is L equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here value of n will be equals to 25. So by formula sum of term Sn equals to n upon 2 into a plus L, that is equals to 625. So it will be 625 value of last term. So it will be sum, means Sn will be equals to 625. Now after this, see question number 15. In question number 15, a contract on the construction job specify a personality of delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. So rupees 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day and 300 for the third day. Means here when we will find AP, so there will be a difference of rupees 200 in the AP. So here a will be equals to d, and a will be equals to 200 and value of d will be equals to 40. Now we have to find Sn, where Sn means S30. So value of n will be equals to 30. Now here Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S30 will be equals to 27750. So 27750 50 will be correct answer. Now after this, see question number 16. In question number 16 we have given a sum of 700 is to be used to give the 7 cash prizes to student of a school for their overall academic performance if each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. So here we will find AP. So AP will be taken as, it will be, if first price is P, so second price will be P minus 20, then P minus 40 and so on. So given that S7 will be equal to 700, now here finding the value, so Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here value of a will be equals to 160. Now after this, question number 17 we have given, in a school student through planting a tree and around the school to reduce the pollution. So it was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, as a section of class first will plant 1 tree, sections of class second will plant 2 trees, similarly third will plant 3 trees and up to 12. So class 12 will plant 12 trees. So here AP will become 1 2 3 4 5 up to 12. So here first term equals to 1, common difference will be equals to 1. So by putting value and finding S12, so by finding S12 value will be equals to 78. Therefore number of trees by one section, it will be 78. And how many total sections are there? Number of trees planted by 3 sections, so it will be multiplied by 3. So 3 into 78 will be equals to 234. Therefore total 234 trees will be planted. Now after this, question number 18, a spiral is made up of successive semicircles with center alternating A and B, starting with the center A of the radii 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2 and so on. So here we have to find what is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. So here we can take perimeter of semicircle will be pi r. So P1 equals to pi into 0.5, that is pi upon 2. Similarly P2 will be equals to pi. So by solving and finding AP will be pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2 pi and so on. So P2 will be equals to pi. Here we can find common difference will be equals to pi by 2. So by putting in value, Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, by putting its value, so it will be equals to 143. So S13 will be equals to 143. So it will be the correct answer. Now after this, see question number 19. In question number 19 we have 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in a bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, to it and so on. So how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? So in this, first we will find AP will be equals to 20, 19, 18 and so on. So common difference will be equals to minus 1 and Sn will be 200. So by putting value and finding value of Sn, we will put value and Sn will be equals to, that is 400. So in this way we will make equation and find value of n. So value of n will be equals to 16 or 25. Now we have to check whether the value of n is 16 or 25. So by nth term we will put formula an equals to a plus n minus 1. So here a16 will be 5. Similarly when we put value of n equals to 25, so by finding its value of an will be equals to minus 4. But this minus 4 cannot be possible, so it can be seen that the number of log 16th row is 5, as the number cannot be negative. Therefore the 200 logs can be placed in 16 rows and the number of logs in 16th row are 5. So this will be the correct answer, means total 200 log can be placed in 16 rows and the number of logs in 16 row will be equals to 5. So this will be the correct answer. Now after this, see question number 20. In question number 20, in a potato race, a bucket is placed as a starting point which is 5 meters from the first potato and other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. So here there is a potato race. In that potato race, each potato is kept total 5 meters from one potato. So first potato will be kept at distance of 5, then 8, then 11 then 14, means after 5 there will be the gap of total 3 meters. So in this we can find AP. So AP will be given 5, 8, 12, 11 and 14. Now, so given the distance run by the competitor for collecting the potato are 2 times, so competitor have to travel double distance, means it will be 2 times. So again AP will be multiplied by 2, so it will be 10, 16, 22, 28, 34 and so on. We have to find for H10. So total number of potatoes are kept here 10. So now by the formula H10 equals to 12 upon 2, here Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d by putting its value. So here value of H10 will be equals to 370. So we can say therefore the competitor will run a total distance of 370 meters. So 370 meter will be the correct answer. Now, so in this way you have to complete this exercise. So your exercise is completed. On next session we will start new chapter. So all of you, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.